Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric charcoal starters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the MIGI 650-watt electric charcoal starter. This budget-friendly option comes in at $15.99, making it ideal for those looking to save without sacrificing functionality. With a 120-volt 650-watt heating element, it provides quick and reliable ignition for your charcoal pile, getting you ready to grill in just minutes. Its stainless steel 304 heat element coils ensure durability, while a 25-inch power cord allows flexibility in use. The heat-resistant plastic handle adds comfort and safety during operation. In terms of performance, the MIGI starter is straightforward and effective. It's designed to eliminate lighter fluid, matches, or sparks, which means no chemical taste in your food and a safer grilling experience overall. While its lower wattage compared to premium models means slightly longer ignition times, it still gets the job done for most standard grills and smokers. However, it lacks additional features like blowing functions or extended neck designs, which might be a drawback for users with deeper grills. Overall, this is a solid choice for casual grillers or those on a budget. Its affordability and simplicity make it a great entry-level option, but it may not suit heavy-duty grilling enthusiasts or those with advanced needs. At number 4, we have the Charroyal electric charcoal starter, priced at $17.99. This model delivers 550 watts at 120 volts, making it a reliable mid-range option for lighting briquette piles quickly and efficiently. Measuring 17.5 inches in length, it's compact yet functional, eliminating the need for matches or lighter fluid. This ensures your food remains free from the unpleasant taste of lighter fluid, and it gets hot coals ready in minutes. In terms of design, the Charroyal starter is lightweight at just 11.2 ounces, making it easy to handle and store. Its stick-style form factor is simple to use and requires minimal assembly. However, its relatively modest wattage may not be as fast as higher-powered models, and the lack of an extended cord or advanced features might limit its flexibility for larger grills or outdoor setups. This product is perfect for casual users who appreciate simplicity and value. It's an excellent choice for smaller grills and standard briquette setups, but users with larger or deeper grills may find it less convenient. Overall, it offers great performance for its price and is backed by positive user reviews, making it a reliable mid-tier option. At number 3, we have the WishDirect 600-watt electric charcoal starter, priced at $17.99. This model stands out for its longer 29-inch insulated power cord, which provides exceptional flexibility when working with deeper grills or outdoor setups. Featuring a 120-volt, 600-watt heating element, it heats up quickly and ignites coals in minutes, without smoke, odor, or toxic additives. The metal plate design allows hands-free use, which is a thoughtful addition for safety and convenience. Performance-wise, the WishDirect starter is consistent and efficient. It's unaffected by wind or outdoor temperatures, making it a reliable choice for grilling in varied conditions. The longer handle and durable build make it user-friendly, while its compatibility with popular grill brands like Weber, Royal Gourmet, and Chargriller makes it versatile. However, at 600 watts, it may not ignite coals as quickly as higher-powered models, and its design doesn't include advanced features like heat-blowing functions. This product is ideal for users who value safety and ease of use, particularly those with deeper grills or who grill in challenging outdoor conditions. Its thoughtful design and strong performance make it a solid mid-range option that balances affordability and functionality effectively. At number 2, we have the Wagner Electrotorch C9000085 Fire Starter. While its exact price isn't listed, this product offers unique functionality that sets it apart. Featuring a dual ignition switch, the Electrotorch uses superheated air to ignite your charcoal or wood fire pit in under a minute. The second position doubles as a blower, fanning the flames to create a roaring fire in just 2 to 3 minutes. This chemical-free alternative ensures your food remains free from chemical tastes and eliminates the need for starter fluids. In terms of design, the Wagner Electrotorch is a bit heavier at 1.84 pounds, but it's built with durability and safety in mind. Its metal construction and ergonomic handle make it easy to use. The versatility of this product shines in its ability to start fires for not just grills, but also fireplaces, campfires, and fire pits. However, the higher weight and lack of a listed price may deter some budget-conscious buyers. This product is ideal for grilling enthusiasts who prioritize speed, efficiency, and eco-friendly solutions. Its blower functionality is a standout feature, making it a great option for users who want quick ignition and robust flame control. While it's not the cheapest option, its unique features make it well worth considering. Finally, at number 1, we have the Matalone Premium Electric Charcoal Starter, priced at $29.99. This premium model features a robust 700W heating element with 304 stainless steel coils, ensuring efficient and long-lasting performance. The 5-foot-long cable provides maximum flexibility, making it perfect for use with deep grills like Big Green Egg, Kamado Joe, and Weber kettle grills. Its curved design and nylon handle add to its user-friendly appeal, while the powerful heat output ignites surrounding coals quickly and consistently in just 6 to 10 minutes. Performance-wise, the Matalone starter is top-notch. It eliminates the need for lighter fluid, matches, or newspapers, ensuring a cleaner grilling experience with no sparks or ash. The larger surface area of the heat coils makes it faster and more energy efficient than lower-powered models, while its compatibility with various grilling setups adds to its versatility. The premium build quality and thoughtful design truly justify the higher price point. This product is ideal for serious grillers or anyone looking for a premium, reliable, and efficient charcoal starter. It's durable, powerful, and easy to use, making it the ultimate choice for both indoor and outdoor grilling setups. The Matalone starter is worth every penny for those seeking top-tier performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.